Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Bright. While you guys are driving bumpy road, your car or truck make rattling or cranking noise from front end of your car suspension. It may possible strut mounts or stabilizer rings or some types of ball joint. I already checked the strut mount, stabilizer rings and the ball joint. This vehicle still make noise, so I'm gonna show today what's the cause to still make a rattling noise. Let's go. When you look into or inspect your car strut or shocks, if it has a sign of oil leaks or oil shedding on strut rod or strut body, it definitely internal pressurized gas leaking. So that means it's time to replace the new struts. This one is the new strut. I pressure right and then push it down to the strut rod. This is so hard. Once the pressure right or push it down to strut rod, it should go to much further or pushed out all the way up. Compared to old one doesn't have gas inside the strut cylinder. It does not compensate the spring's bounce, so it makes rattling noise while you guys drive bumpy road or uneven road conditions. After inspection, strut mounts and the stabilizer rings and ball joints are in good condition. You guys should look at your car and truck strut mount. Once the leaking sign of anything, it's time to replace the new strut assembly. Thank you for watching.